get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast and get a little more. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop.
Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually here at a voting site and I'm about to go and vote, so I wanted to catch this and vlog it. So I'll see you inside. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I voted and I filmed myself voting, and when you go inside you'll get one of these. And this place that I'm voting, they only do paper ballots. You also get one of these. It's a mask and they just give it for free. So that was a fun experience. I haven't voted since Obama. So what you do when you get there is you give them your name, no, not your name, your address and your zip code. Your name don't count. So this is an absentee ballot that they giving people, and you just basically go and just fill out the paper. You circle in who you want to vote for, and then you go to this machine and you scan it in. If it comes back out, you did it wrong. So I did it wrong, so I had to do it twice because I never did a paper ballot before. Usually back in the day, you used to go there and you just go into the machine and you just click the ones that you want. Don't mind my nails, I know they trash. But it was usually the machine before, but now they're doing paper ballots. I guess all of these matter. Your name, you just don't gotta say your name. You go up to a table which you're assigned to. They give you the ballot. When you get there, you fill it out and those little booth things that I showed you, and then you go to the machine and you scan it in, and if the machine keeps it, your vote counted, and then you get a sticker. So I voted and I got a pen. So that's it. So this was a vlog. This is the ending of my vlog. I did film myself installing this wig. This wig is from Gabrielle. It's a company. I don't know if I showed you the packaging or whatever, but it came with a wig cap, the what do you call that thing you put around your head? Wig grip. You got a wig grip, a cap, bobby pins, I believe, and I think 2 clips. That's what you get. So that's what happened. I'm actually still at the voting place. It was a great experience, and I'm happy that I voted, and I'm gonna head back to my destination. Oh, this is a 28-inch wig, and it's in its natural state. I didn't do anything to it. I'm gonna film myself probably curling it or making it bone straight. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. I'm trying to fix it so y'all can see me while I'm driving, but I can't, so I'm gonna just talk to you later.